How to say password saved in Google account. So if you have some passwords saved on your Google account and now you want to see them, whether to delete them or edit any of the passwords, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to see password saved in Google account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open a browser. So this could be Chrome, it could be Opera, it could be Safari, it could be any browser of your choice. Now once you open the browser, I want to go to account.google.com. Now once you've visited account.google.com, you need to sign into the Gmail account where you think you saved the password. And once you sign into the Gmail account, this is where you'll be taken to. Now on the Google Accounts page, scroll through the navigation and click on security. Then I want to scroll down the security page until you get to passwords. So just keep scrolling until you see password manager. You can see under my password manager I have about 769 passwords saved in my Google account. Now to see all the saved password in this particular Google account, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on manage passwords. Then once you click on manage password and hang on, then you should see your password manager pops. And on the password manager page, you have access to all the saved password in the Google account. Now to see any of this saved password manager, all you just need to do is click on any of the web pages. Then once you click on it, hang on, you'll be prompted to confirm your Google account password. Then go ahead, type in your Google account password. After that, go ahead and click on the go button or enter button. Then once you hit the go button, then you should see the username and then the password. Then to review this particular password from your Google account, then you need to click on this hi button. I can now go ahead, edit or delete the password. In this case, I'm just going to delete this password. It's no longer useful for me. Go ahead and click on delete, then delete again. That is it. So that is basically how to see saved password in Google account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.